What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. All right, guys. It's getting a little out of hand. So now I got ball waxing appointment postcards coming. To my appointment reminder. And bring a friend, and we'll give you 50% off your next ball waxing. Can't make this shit up. And, right? We don't expect you to keep this. We don't expect this appointment to take very long because you have such tiny balls. But if you should need to cancel or reschedule a ball waxing appointment, then please contact our office. These motherfuckers, by the way. Motherfuckers. These pranked by Postcard.com. And they're all well, this one I don't even know where it's coming from. This one, I know the other ones came from. This is coming from Greensboro, North Carolina. The ball waxing. You motherfuckers, by the way. You guys have nothing else better to do? Don't you know that I have things to do? Anyway. Folks, I got to give a special shout out to Daniel Wunk. W-N-U-K. I'm sure I chopped that up in Bradwood, Illinois. Bro, you're getting number 40 of 150, the version 2.0 Mikey Pipes posters that I had commissioned at the Hatch show print at the Country Music Hall of Fame in Nashville, Tennessee. When my wife and I were there last year, we had version 1.0 commissioned, which is this poster right here. Right? This is number 99 of 100. Highest bidder gets this. I haven't put it on eBay yet, but that poster is kind of epic. But version 2.0, you put into a frame. It's really, 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 really nice. Really, really, really nice. But David, thank you so much. I'm going to autograph yours right now. Let me get my marker out. There you go. Autographed. I'm going to put it to Daniel. Maybe I use the red ink. Oh, no, it just fell off. No. There you go. Daniel, you're getting number 40 of 150. If you guys would like your own poster, details in the description box down below. 10% of the proceeds going to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization, where we provide free or low-cost plumbing, heating, cooling services to those in the community who can't afford to hire a professional. Good stuff. More good stuff. It's Monday. It's June 30th. You know, Peter has not been here for a couple weeks. He's doing what he thinks is bigger and better things. But today we started our new call taker / dispatcher / office manager / warehouse receiving manager. Her name is Kylie. She's 22 or 23 years old. She's at lunch right now. I gave her the company card. One of the perks of working at Pipe Doctor, free lunch when you're working. So good stuff, good stuff. And if she didn't have a vehicle, she can get the pickup truck. But she'll make a cameo appearance on a future video. It's going to be nice. Hopefully she works out. The wife, Dr. Mrs. Pipe, she's been training her all day today, and she thinks that's a good thing. By next week, she'll be ready, right?
Yes.
Yes, there you go. There you go. So, folks, thank you to Daniel for sending me not just $42.50, but sent a huge donation of $300 to the Mikey Pipes Philanthropy charitable organization. Please, guys, no more postcards. The ball waxing, the pregnancy tests, the micro penis support groups are getting a little out of hand. It's all good. And guys, I took some of your advice. I ordered the Meta Ray-Ban AI glasses, the one with the built-in camera. So I'll be able to record some really great, epic fucking content because I know you guys are hungry for food. Anyway, about to have some lunch. Just want to make a quick little video. We had a ride along today for someone who wanted to fulfill the position of HVAC and plumbing tech, but we're gonna see if he comes back in mid-August. He just want to do a quick little ride along and see if this is for him. I don't know. We'll let you decide. His first service call with me is going up. It's probably already up on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. And more importantly, the video up from the Walmart arrest in Sanford, Florida is up on the Mikey Pipes Uncuffed and Uncensored channel. Check it out, guys. Quite intense. Quite intense. So I'll catch you all in the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe. Smash that thumbs up button.